Wanna know how to convert a character into ASCII value in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we need to just cast your char to an integer. So in this code right here, just simply copy up and modify this code as you want. So it's super easy. So we have just casted our character right here to integer, and that's it. Super simple. Here we are taking a character that is A right here. Then we typecast it, and after typecasting we should be getting 65. So we have also printed out the value, and once we run it up, the results should show. And that's it. The ASCII of A is 65. This also works for any character. You can try small a, 1, and even symbols. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.